How to make a stand in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how you can create a stand in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. Let's just jump right in. Now in order to make a stand, you first need to make game passes. So let's see how you do that. Go to More section at the bottom right corner on Roblox. Then scroll down and find Create. Once you head over to the Create tab, you will find your experiences over here. Just go to any one of your experiences. So simply go ahead and go to your experience. I'll just open my experiences from here. Tap on the three dots at the top left and then go to creations. Once you head over here, you should be able to see your place. Tap on it. Even if you haven't created one, Roblox will assign you a place. So just go ahead and make sure you tap on it. Now you need to find your passes. Tap on the three dots again at the top left, right beside dashboard. Scroll down here and find monetization and go to passes. Then you're going to have to create a game pass. I've already created some game passes over here, as you can see. Now I'll just create a new one and I'll just name it something like new game pass. And once you've done that, you could just go ahead and add a description if you want and change the PNG image or JPEG. Tap on create pass. And once the pass has been created, now you can just go to your pass. It's this one that we've just created, new game pass. And now you're going to have to put the item for sale. Tap on the three dots at the top left, then go to sales. And then from here, you want to put the item for sale. Check this toggle. Now include the price. Before you include the price, you need to make sure that you only get 70% of what you enter. So if you, let's say, enter 100 Robux, you can only get 70 Robux, and the remaining 30 Robux is going to go to Roblox itself. Make sure you set the pricing like that. So I'll just set this something like 250 for now, then tap on Save Changes. Now you can directly go back to your Please Donate game. Go to home screen and find Please Donate and start playing it. I'll just start the experience. Now once you get to this place, you'll find this arrow pointing over to a stand, which you can claim. So head over to the stand and then tap and hold on this to claim your stand. Now as you can see here, I have multiple game passes on my screen, so I can swipe through them. And this one that we've just created, the 251, I can tap on it and it's going to show me the details of the game pass. This is the new game pass, that's 250 we've just created. Anyone can come to your stand and then purchase these game passes and you'll get Robux for it. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.